Okay, so what's up guys, I'm Pixel Sammy and welcome to this newest video. So as a video editor, editing videos is one of the most crucial things. But yes, getting a fast computer and editing all kinds of footages might be a bit of a headache for some of you. Although in my iMac, footages such as DJI footages runs very smoothly, which are in HEVC format. But in my laptop, which is MacBook Air, this is the result. My footages stutters a lot, it glitches a lot because my MacBook Air has a slow processor. Because of that reason, the DJI shots run very slowly and editing them on the go is a very tedious process. So because of that particular reason, in this particular video I'm going to show this particular video converter which can easily convert any kind of high-res footages into a simple MOV or MP4 format, and this is called the MacEdge Video Converter Pro. They have a Windows version to this as well, and also they do have a free version for this particular software which you can absolutely use because it has a 5-minute mark. But if you guys like this particular product, you guys can absolutely buy it because it costs only $30. So with that being said, let's get started. So basically this particular Video Converter Pro is called the MacEdge. The Windows version is called the WinEdge Video Converter Pro. Now this costs only $30, which is $29.95. Now it is one of the simplest video converters which I have seen, and also they have claimed that they have the fastest speed compared to any other video converters out there which you can see on the screen. Now this is a very cool thing to have because it can convert any kind of footages including 4K footages, DJI footages which are in HEVC format, and it can convert it to a simpler version such as H.264 MP4 format which you can absolutely and easily edit in any other kind of low-end computer. Now when you open this particular app, you are going to see that you can convert videos, you can convert photos, you can download videos from the internet. The next one is the front camera recorder which you can use. Also my face is very bad looking here. The next one is the screen recorder which you can use in your videos if you guys want to. Of course, if you guys are doing any kind of tutorials and stuff, you guys can absolutely use it. Other than that, I'm going to just show an example using this particular footage. For example, I'm currently using my MacBook Air and I'm opening this particular software, and this is the footage which I'm going to see, and as you can see it is glitching a lot because of that particular reason that my MacBook Air is not compatible with HEVC format. So I have just chosen this particular clip, added that in, and then I'm just keeping it at the default setting. Of course you can play with the settings as well, but I'm going to just keep it at default MP4 video, and all the settings are in default mode only. Other than that, I'm going to just click on done and it is going to do the job. After that, just choose the destination where you want to save this particular file. And then of course you can just edit a little bit of the videos as well. For example, if you click on this edit button, just like this, you can just increase the volume of the video, you can add subtitles to the video, you can trim the video or crop the video and add watermark to the video if you guys are sending this to your clients. So this is a real cool thing to have because your clients will also have a easier format to read in any of the computers. And then after that, just click on run. This might take some time depending on your computer, but most of the time it does the job really fast because they claim to do so as well. So after that, after the footage has completely been converted, just see how this particular footage looks. Now this is the MP4 format which you can see after export, and as you can see it is super flawless, it is super smooth. This is what we need, right? This is what it is needed right now. The conversion of this particular clips is done really efficiently with this particular software, and as it costs like literally nothing, like only $30. And also if you guys want to try out the free version, you guys can absolutely do so, and if you guys like it, you guys can definitely purchase the full version. So the purchase link or the download link to this particular pack is there in the description below. If you guys like it, just check it out because it is one of the good ones out there, and it is a very simple and user-friendly software, and you guys can absolutely use it in any of your videos and edit in your lower-end computers. So with that being said, thumbs if you liked it, comment down below if you guys think this particular product is good for you. With that being said, this is Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with another video soon. Peace out.